there guys, today I am going to show you how to make Ilocano pinakbet. Pinakbet is an indigenous Filipino dish from the northern regions of the Philippines. Pinakbet is made from mixed vegetables steamed in fish or shrimp sauce. The word is the contracted form of the Ilocano word pinakbet, meaning shrunk or shriveled. The original Ilocano pinakbet uses bagoong or fermented monamon or other fish for seasoning sauce, while further south, bagoong alamang is used. The dishes usually include bitter melon or ampalaya. Other vegetables used include eggplant, tomato, okra, string beans, chili peppers, parda, wing beans, and others. The young pod of marunggay is also added. It is usually spiced with ginger, onions, or garlic. A Tagalog version usually includes calabaza or squash. Most of these vegetables are easily accessible and are grown in backyards and gardens of most Ilocano households. As its name suggests, it is usually cooked until almost dry and shriveled. The flavors of the vegetables are accentuated with shrimp paste. In some cases, lechon, chicharron, or other meats are added. Pinakbet is similar to the Provençal vegetable stew ratatouille, except for its sauce. So go on and continue on watching this video as I show you how to make this all-time favorite dish of mine. So go on, just continue watching this video as I show you how to cook this all-time favorite dish of mine. So our ingredients for Ilocano pinakbet are garlic, ginger, onions, pork belly, okra, and here we have our tomatoes, eggplant, and bitter melon or ampalaya. And of course we have our, what's this? This is our bagoong sa isda, fish sauce. It's the brown bagoong that we're gonna use. That's the Ilocano style, not the shrimp paste. Shrimp paste, I think it's the Tagalog style. So again, we have our garlic, ginger, onions, pork belly, okra, eggplant, tomatoes, and or ampalaya or bitter melon in English. Alright, so let's get cooking. Olive oil. Just a little bit of olive oil. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video. And check out these cool channels as well. Leslie Bubble TV, Kanoy P Vlog, Kaale and Pets, Ruby Run. Thanks so much. Love you all and stay well.